Hi. Mata Pita Guru Devam. My mom and dad led me to my Guru, who leads me to God through dance. Without Kripanti, this event would not have been possible at all. She has been very patient, caring, and loving with me. I'd very much like to thank her for that. Thank you, Kripanti.
Thanks for making me feel young, Uma.
I would also very much like to thank the orchestra today because they have been very understanding by coming to odd times for practices and long hours. They also have been very fun to work with and be around because of their easy manner of taking things and their fun work ethic. Thank you, Woody, sir, and everyone. I also want to thank my mom and dad for being a constant source of inspiration and encouragement. I also need to thank my dad a lot for driving us to dance class at times which he could have spent for himself. So thanks a lot, Dad. I want to thank all my family from coming all over the world to watch me today, and especially my grandparents, who have been very helpful by getting all the stuff from India. And I would, of course, like to thank all the Natyarpana family who came here today to help out. They have been very supportive of this whole engagement. This would not have been possible without all of their help. I'm really thrilled that so many people came here today, so I have to thank all of you for taking the time to come to my Adengacham. The journey of dance never ends, and so I will continue to dance and always make time to dance. Thanks, everyone, for coming today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of my Adengacham.
Uma and Priya will now perform the final two pieces, the Tillana and Mangalam. A Tillana is a scintillating finale to any Bharatanatyam recital. The Tillana is an abstract dance filled with complex rhythmic footwork and beautiful poses. In this Tillana, the poet, Dr. Ambika Kameshwar, sees Sri Ramana Maharishi as an incarnation of Lord Shiva and Vishnu. She reiterates that his most compassionate form serves mankind as a guiding light to the ultimate truth and self-realization. Following this, Uma and Priya will conclude with a Mangalam. Uma and Priya shall express their gratitude and offer thanks to God, their Guru, orchestra, Mother Earth, and the audience for their support on this very auspicious day. Thank you.
ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ವಡಿವೇ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ತುಂತದನದಿರನ ತನನದರ ತುಂತರಿತ ತುಂತದನದಿರನ ತನನದರ ವಡಿವೇ ರಮಣ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ವಡಿವೇ ರಮಣ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತರಿತ ಜಂ 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 ತರಿತ ಜಂ 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 ತರಿತ ಜಂ 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 ತರಿತ ಜಂ ಧೀರನ ಧೀರನ ಧನ ಧೀರನ ಧೀರನ ಧನ ಧೀಂ ತಗಣು ದಿಮಿದಿ ಧೀರನ 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 ಧನ ಧೀಂ ತಗಣು ದಿಮಿದಿ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ತತಕ ಝಣು ತದೀಂ ತತಕ ಧೀಂ ತತಕ ಝಣು ತದೀಂ ತತಕ ತದೀಂ ಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ ತದಿ ಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದೀಂ ಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿನ್ ವಡಿವೇ ರಮಣ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ವಡಿವೇ ರಮಣ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ರಮಣ ರಮಣ ವೇದಾತೀತಂ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣಂ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಹೃದಯ ನಟನ ವಿನೋದೋ ವೇದಾತೀತಂ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣಂ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಹೃದಯ ನಟನ ವಿನೋದಂ ನಾದಾತೀರ್ಥ ನಾಣ್ಯನ ವಿಳಂಗುಂ ಜ್ಞಾನದೇವಾಕರ बोधहितहितसाधकाय साधु सद्गुरुवार्यरमणाय भगवते पादसेवक रामपावनाय जयमङ्गलम् नित्यशुभमङ्गलम् जयमङ्गलम् नित्यशुभमङ्गलम् जयमङ्गलम् नित्यशुभमङ्गलम्
Thank you for being a wonderful audience. It was a wonderful performance by Priya and Uma. We hope you all have a good night. Thank you.